Namaste, my name is Megh Ale. I'm the founder president of Nepal River Conservation Trust, and we work on river conservation in Nepal. Well, we have more than 6,000 rivers and rivulets. Nepal is also known as among the richest country in water resources, but the situation is we don't have any vision for rivers. So I would say the Karnali is the last and the most pristine Himalayan river left.
There's a river in the far west of Nepal, the most sacred river. It began its journey at the foot of holy Mount Kailash, bisect the Himalaya from north to south, then gradually lose gradients as it flows into the jungle, flatlands and towards the mighty Ganges. This river is longest in our country and the last free-flowing waterway in Nepal. The water, the shoreline and the canyons offer the diverse habitat for a variety of plants and animals. The people who have made their home here depend on the river for drinking water, agriculture, fishing and day-to-day rituals. My experiences on this river have changed the way I think about water in Nepal. This river, the Karnali, is the most important in all of my country. Unfortunately, its status as the last free-flowing river in Nepal is under threat. Hydroelectric development planned to dam the Karnali and permanently transform this important valley. Village and wildlife habitat would disappear beneath the reservoir, while other sections of the river would run dry. This is not how I wish to see the Karnali. Now I hope that all Nepali people and others around the world will join together to designate the Karnali as a sacred river corridor and keep it free-flowing forever.
The last pristine Himalayan river, and this is the only free-flowing river in Nepal. If we lose this river, what losses we will have? So what losses the future generation can have? What losses the Mother Earth will have?